Research is at the heart of effective writing, whether you're crafting an argumentative essay, an informative article, or a creative project based on real-world information. But how do you conduct research effectively? How do you find credible sources, narrow your focus, and synthesize information to create a well-supported final product? In this video, we'll explore how to identify a research question, locate and evaluate reliable sources, organize information, and synthesize key ideas. Before diving into examples, let's define a few key terms related to research. Research question, a guiding question that directs your investigation and keeps your research focused. Primary versus secondary sources. Primary sources provide first-hand information, such as interviews, surveys, historical documents, while secondary sources analyze and interpret information, such as articles and books. Synthesis of information, combining ideas from multiple sources to develop a deeper understanding of a topic. Now let's see how these concepts apply to real research projects. Let's start simple, researching for a class assignment. Imagine your teacher assigns a presentation on the effects of social media on teenagers. Here's how you might conduct research. Step 1. Form a research question. How does social media impact teenage mental health? Step 2. Find sources. You search for articles from reputable websites like medical journals, news organizations, and psychology studies. Step 3. Take notes and organize information. You create an outline with key points from different sources. This method ensures your research is focused, credible, and well-organized. Now, let's go deeper, writing a research-based essay. You are assigned to write an argumentative essay on whether school start times should be later for teenagers. Step 1. Develop a question. Would later school start times improve student performance? Step 2. Gather multiple perspectives. You read studies from sleep scientists, educators, and student surveys to see both pros and cons. Step 3. Synthesize the information. You organize evidence into supporting and opposing arguments, then write a well-supported claim in your essay. This approach helps create a strong, evidence-based argument that considers multiple viewpoints. Finally, let's look at a real-world example, using research to solve a problem in your community. You and your classmates want to propose a new recycling program for your school. Here's how research plays a role. Identify the problem. You notice that many students throw recyclables into regular trash bins. Gather evidence. You collect data on how much waste is produced and interview school administrators about current policies. Compare solutions. You research how other schools handle recycling and what programs are most effective. Synthesize and present findings. You create a proposal with facts, statistics, and expert recommendations to convince the school board to take action. This kind of research goes beyond the classroom. It makes a real impact in the world. Research is more than just finding facts. It's about asking the right questions, analyzing different sources, and creating something meaningful from the information you gather. Here's a quick recap. Start with a clear research question. Use credible sources and consider multiple perspectives. Organize, synthesize, and present your findings in a structured way. By mastering research skills, you can strengthen your writing, support your arguments, and even create real change in your community. Good research isn't about finding all the answers. It's about asking the right questions and knowing where to look.